We have it as soon as we are born. Some purpose. That is to win this life. It is like a chess game. We never play expecting to lose. We all have different abilities. But don't worry about what others have and what you haven't. Because you have your own unique ability. Remember, you are unique. You have probably played chess. You know that each pawn has different abilities. Even if you are a pawn person in life. Even if you are a queen. Don't be sad. Because when the right opportunity comes, you can change the game in a way that a queen cannot. So try to give at the right time. All the best.